item. Ta-da! What is up, dolls? And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I do giveaways, lifestyle videos, girly girl vlogs, fashion, makeup, and relationship tea. So, as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing a bit of a Valentine themed haul with Bath&Body Works and some Nomakenolife items, and I might do a giveaway. We'll see. So you'll have to keep watching. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you with me to Bath&Body Works. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little clip of the cool new items for spring and Valentine's at Bath&Body Works. Let's go ahead and jump right in as to what I actually got. Ooh, so this one is a heavy one. Go for the first item. Ta-da! It's Be Mine. Your wish is my command because this baby came home with me. This is a Be Mine candy hearts. And honestly, I don't know if y'all remember the candy hearts growing up in elementary, and we'd all get those, and those are the ones that I didn't like, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it tastes like chalk. But this, on the other hand, oh my gosh, so good. It smells like strawberry and grape nerds. I don't know, the candy, and I'm like, so good. Bye, raspberry mimosa. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to switch and ditch. No, I'm just joking. I love raspberry mimosa too as well. I'll put you here. Let's move on because, I don't know if y'all are candle lovers. Are you dolls like candles too? What are your favorite Bath and Body Works scents or candle scents? The next items that I got, you can tell by the wrapping, it is a dildo. The next items that I got the same. I got two of these. It's raspberry tangerine. So, oh my gosh. It smells really good. It smells really light. And I'm trying to think of some kind of fruit punch. I gotta get in the mood, Gotta get in the love mood. So, I don't know if you dolls again are into candles, but I tell you, lighting candles, especially pink candles, they really can make you feel super girly. So I want to just spread that romance and let you dolls know how much I adore you. This is their new scent. This one is Hibiscus Paradise, and new as in the day that we went in to go shopping, they said they just put this out. So I was like, all right. And I'm from Hawaii, so hibiscus is our state flower, so I had to represent. It smells like vacation, so it smells like coconut, and of course hibiscus doesn't even have a smell. It's a flower, but it smells really delightful actually. But this is a moisturizing body wash. I have really dry skin, and so I definitely like the moisturizing body washes. So I'm really excited because it comes with shea butter and cocoa butter. So I really like that. Okay. And of course, because again, it's Valentine theme, I got the soap a while ago. I think when I went Christmas shopping, and I'm like I want to get more of those scents and more of the items and everything. So these are actually a little bit more on the higher end. So I don't know if it's a special edition or collection or something like that. But this is the moisturizing body wash, and this is $15.50. But I was like, she worth it. This is all about love. So I will be washing myself in that this February. This one here also is coconut cream pie. So this is another of the new collection. I wanted the coconut cream pie body wash, and they were out. So I just got their body cream lotion. It smells like coconut, cream or custard. Anyway, so that's what I got. It was buy Buy 3, get 2 free. I actually went there because Kyle was like, oh, honey, do you need anything from Bath&Body Works? Because he was running out of his stuff. And I'm like, my little antennas went up like, ooh, Bath&Body Works? Anyway, so I don't know if you all have some men's that you live with or keep company with, but this is actually what he got last time. And he liked it so much that we had to go back and get it again. So this is the Saltwater Breeze. So it's actually more of a sweet smell. I mean, even though it's like I don't know if it's maybe it's a unisex. That doesn't really matter, but the smell is very light, fresh, and very fresh. And it's kind of sweet too. So I don't like really strong, musky, blah, 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 blah. And then this is a new one. So you want to try something new. So this one is Clean Slate. Yep, 2021. Hashtag Clean Slate. Let's smell it. It smells really fresh. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. So men, I don't know if you'll be watching, but if you want, you know, your woman to be all up on you, you might want to try this. Yum yums. Okay. That was my Bath & Body Works haul, and we're going to move on. February box, here we go. Boom. Oh, the glare. I don't like to look at this until I need to, because then it just tells me what all the goodies are, and the whole point of this box is a surprise. So, oh my gosh, so this is a cute little thing. It came inside the box. They're really stepping it up. I mean, they should. After all, the box was like $31 and the shipping just got increased now to like, what, 15? Or sorry, 11. So that's a pretty expensive box. This is a Hello Kitty, what looks like a little makeup bag. And I love it because it's like the old original Hello Kitty. So I like that look at the fun I'm having today. I hope you dolls are having so much fun. I know I am hanging out with y'all. So this is so cute. What is it? I don't even know what it is and I'm sold. Oh, and it's got little hearts because again, it's like Valentine. So Pikachu's blowing some kisses and love at me. Like, hey. And this is a lip cream. So let's take a look and see what this lip cream looks like. Okay, so that's a little bright. And oh. Glue. Is it a glue stick? No, it's not a glue stick. It smells really good though. It smells like banana now and later candy. This is the next item. This is a Pikachu pressed powder. Okay, it's a pressed powder. Interesting. Applicator pad. It's very soft, very micro soft. Ooh. I have a Costopia Love Heart Eye Mask. Aw, how so cute. Valentine's. Then we have a Collagen Active Peel Off Pack. So, you know me, my face mask or anything dealing with like rejuvenating the skin. Korea Cosmetic. Okay, so this is a Korean product. Oh, you know when things are so ugly, they're cute?
His name is Slow Bro.
His name is...
Because he's slow.
Aw, you know, we all love the slow ones. Sloths are slow, and I like sloths. Is this a sloth?
He's kind of like a sloth. Like he's a psychic sloth.
Okay, so yeah, I think because of the shipping, I got more products than the last box. So I can honestly say, I think they took it into consideration, the fact that their shipping cost has gone like off the charts. So I like the effort on their end, especially for this month. Or it's all like just filling the love mood. So this is a stick, a blush stick. It's like a peach color. Yeah. And then we have a xoxo Piggy Mom. Oh, it's so cute. What is it?
Korean.
It's step 1, step 2, step 3. It's a nose pack. I swear the Nomakenolife boxes are absolute psychics, because last month I needed face wash, eyebrow pencil, and eyeliner, and boy did they deliver it to me. Now I'm like, I just ordered some, you know, black head strips. So interesting. I'll be really excited to try this out. It's like a 3-step process, so I can only assume that this must be very high quality. Aw, and look at this. It's a cute little Pokemon Heart Love face mask. This is super adorable. And I think that if somebody got this in the mail, they'd be like, oh, it's a little love card. So I'm definitely going to be giving this away in the giveaway. So it is giveaway time. And I'm going to be going ahead and giving this away. And I'm going to be giving away the cute Pokemon lip cream. It smelled like candy. Like, I don't know if you guys know the candy now and laters, but the banana flavor mixed with grape. So I think this will spruce up your smile and it'll make you smell good when you're puckering up to your Valentine. And even if it's just yourself, it's fine too, or the pillow. And I'm gonna give away this cute little Hello Kitty pouch. So I'm feeling very generous and I wanna just share the joy and spread all that love to you dolls. So one lucky doll will be able to win this. So again, this is starting February's giveaways. I do them giveaways throughout the month. And of course, if you want to know how to win, the details are in the description box below. That will conclude our wonderful video today. I hope you dolls have a wonderful and lovely day or night. And I will talk to you dolls later. Oh, and for the next video, I am going to be doing a huge Shein lingerie Valentine special haul. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified for my next fun Valentine video. Bye dolls. Oh.